So another round of trade issues coming up in the solar space, as late last week there was another filing with the Department of Commerce for anti-dumping against Chinese and Asian manufacturers. Predominantly, the accusation is that they're circumventing the existing tariffs by pushing manufacturing into Southeast Asian companies, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore. So we've all seen some of this before, but it's going to create a whole lot of uncertainty. The reality is we already have a tremendous amount of inventory in the US, predominantly low-cost modules coming from some of these territories, and it's already a very difficult time for new module sales. So I don't know. I've got differing beliefs about this in terms of the impact it's going to have on the market. There's already a lot of modules here. Some of these are old, aging inventory. These are not brand new TopCon modules for the most part that are sitting in warehouses and in inventory here in the US. But anytime this happens, it just creates a lot of uncertainty and organizations freeze. You're not going to make new purchasing decisions if there's potential tariffs that may be hitting you. So going to be great news for First Solar. Going to be great news for other manufacturers like Q-Cells and Jinko that are assembling and manufacturing here in the US. Interestingly, probably very similarly related, the REC silicon plant up in Lake Moses, Washington just officially started and is going to start producing silicon in the US again. One of the only polysilicon manufacturers that are going to be supplying true US domestic sourced and supplied polysilicon for the solar market. So that is very, very interesting, but going to be a lot more uncertainty to come as we work through what is now the most recent trade issue for modules in the US.